If you've been on the fence about whether or not you wanted to take my mandala class, the Kaleidoscope Mandala, this is a sneak peek of the goodies that you get to take away from the class if you decide to pay for the higher tier so that you get to have materials when you leave. Otherwise, you can bring your own. Is a basic set of Prismacolor colored pencils. These are one of my favorites. Really good quality. And then a pencil box with some goodies in here. We have a kneaded eraser and a couple of regular white erasers, pencil sharpener, regular pencil, mechanical pencil, and a regular pen for writing things, a Sharpie. And this is also another eraser, but it's the kind that you can actually extend to use, like having the ones on the back of your pencil, but a little easier to control and lasts you a lot longer and can be refilled. So some really cool, fun things that I normally have in my own personal kit that I kind of keep with my drawing stuff. Anyway, just a fun little incentive to come to the class, and just a little sneak peek of kind of like our little layout of the kaleidoscope itself. You're going to have something that's already kind of basically laid out for you. I'm going to take you guys step by step through it. Even if you don't think you can draw, I will prove you wrong. So come join me for my Kaleidoscope Mandala.